this two-piece crochet outfit here, the sheer knit sweater, and then the wide leg pants. The bottom is wide. It is a wide leg pant, and it is an adjustable waist, which I really like. This is an extra large. I definitely could have used a large, but it's fine. But I do suggest sizing down. And this outfit definitely is like a chic, modern lounge set. The crochet knit top feels very airy and stylish. Obviously, I put a tank under here because you could see right through, or a tank or a very tight t-shirt. I love the bottom. It has a nice waistband on the bottom of the shirt. And then there are no sleeves, but the armholes are very nicely a ribbed finish, polished look. Definitely. Very nice. The crochet sheer design is like a little elegant touch, breezy, and lounging or like casual outings is what I wear this to. The pants are so soft, nice little stretch. There are pockets, very comfortable for travel or, an all day kind of wear thing, and very easy to care for. Cold water, I only dry for literally like 5 minutes on delicate, and then I hang to dry. Dressy, yet practical and definitely cute. Like I said, the sizing ran a bit loose, so the only thing I would say is size a little down. But overall, this set is stylish, and it really does feel effortless yet put together. Highly recommend.